Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I want to show you IRCTC bus booking. So you might be familiar with IRCTC train booking. So they have launched bus booking also. So it is accessible from this link bus.irctc.co.in. So if you come here, you can book buses from various locations. So if I put in location as departure location as Mumbai, and I'm going to Bangalore, and I'll say the date as 31st March. So let me compare it with other two portals, Redbus, and yeah, Redbus should be good enough, I guess. Redbus and Abibus also I'll put, so that you get a good understanding of what's the price like in these three platforms. Okay, so I'll put from Mumbai to Bangalore, 31st March. I just want to compare. So I'll say Mumbai to Bangalore, 31st March. Okay. I'll say hit search. Again Abibus. So here also I'll say Mumbai to Bangalore, 31st March. So let's see what is the prices it's gonna throw up. Okay, so there are some buses even charging 5,000. Okay, so the lowest one I found in IRCTC is VRL Travels. It takes 20 hours. 1,100 is the cost. Okay, so I come to Redbus. So here, let me sort it by price. Here if you look at it, 1,100 for VRL Travels. Here I see another one known as Sri Balaji Tours and Travels. So that is 999. I don't know, that is not available here, I guess. I didn't see that in IRCTC. And there is one more I could find for 1099. And that is here Rajeshwar Travels. So the VRL is there. So the price is same in the portal. See this, it's 1,100. So the price is almost same in both the portals, but they had more options. Redbus had more options, I guess. That's why they were able to see this bus also, which is fair enough because Redbus was assisting much before that. IRCTC, this bus booking is quite new for them, I guess. Now let's go to Abibus. In Abibus, I see the prices are starting from 1,100, I guess, and I don't see an option of sorting it. Okay, let me sort it by, okay, yeah, here is sort by, so I'll sort it by price. So here also I see the starting one is VRL Travel. So the prices are almost same in all the three platforms, which is what something which I liked in all the three platforms. So it's very competitive. Now if you look at it, this bus is much cheaper because this bus was not available in the other two portals. So that in that way, Redbus has more options, I guess. But this bus, same bus, you see the 38 seats are available. It's the same thing it's showing up here. 38 seats are available. So this one also is the same one. So using this, you can book tickets for bus. So let's try to see. Okay, so these are the various options that is available. So in this way, you will be able to book buses using IRCTC also. I hope that information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.